In question 3 of this exercise, here's what the problem statement says. In figure 6.15, this figure that you see here, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So angle PQR is this angle here, angle PRQ is this angle. These two angles are given to be equal, so let's mark them as equal. And then the problem statement goes on to say, then prove that angle PQS should be equal to angle PRT. So let's mark angle PQS, this angle here, and angle PRT is this angle here. So these two angles, we have to prove them as equal. Now the basic idea behind the solution of this problem is quite straightforward. The sum of this angle and this angle is 180, must be 180 because they form a linear pair. Similarly, the sum of this angle and this angle is also 180. So if these two angles are equal, their corresponding partners in the linear pairs, which is this angle and this angle, these two angles must also be equal. For example, if both PQR and PRQ, if both of these are, let's say, 70 degrees, then their partners in the linear pairs will both be equal to 110 degrees, and hence they will be equal. So this is the basic idea behind the solution to this problem. Now let's write out the solution properly as a proper proof. So let's first take the angles formed at this point Q. So we will take angle PQR and angle PQS. They form a linear pair. So let's write it out. Angle PQR plus angle PQS, this sum must be equal to 180 degrees because these two angles form a linear pair. Alright, similarly, if you take the angles formed at R, angle PRQ and angle PRT, their sum should also be equal to 180 degrees. So we write angle PRQ plus angle PRT. This sum should also be 180 degree because these two angles form a linear pair of angles. Now from the first relation, we can write angle PQS as 180 degrees minus angle PQR, and from the second relation we can write angle PRT as 180 degrees minus angle PRQ. And here now comes the key idea. Because angle PQR and angle PRQ are given to be equal, this means that the RHS here and the RHS here are both equal, and hence angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, and the reason is that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. This is given to us. So this completes the proof of question number 3. Very straightforward and simple question. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.